Hey guys, so yeah, I'm cooking. So I'm cooking this pasta kind of thing. It's actually just thick noodles, okay? And I have no clue how to cook them. So what my brain told me was that I should cook them like normal pasta or the spaghetti thing. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making red sauce, and I'm boiling the what is this thing called? Pasta burrito, I think. Anyway, so this pasta thing. Okay, it's pasta. It says pasta, so it's pasta. So I'm cooking this pasta. Once it's boiled, I'll just remove the water. Till then, I'll prepare the sauce, and I'll just put the pasta in the sauce. So I think that should be good. I need thick sauce, okay? Because that's how I get the flavor. Oh. So it's morning. It's around 12 o'clock. I had class before this, and I'm hungry. So yesterday my flatmate gave me some food, okay? So I'm trying to cook enough for 2 people almost. Actually, when I took this thing out, like from the packet, it was like a ball of noodles, okay? This is like spirals, and I just put like 4 of them into the boiling pan. So let's see how it goes on. I'll actually get all these resources there, okay? Okay. That was my mistake. Totally my mistake. So what happened is, I closed the lid, and it was on maximum flame. Not flame. This is not flame. This is electrical, right? So like it was in the highest, hottest setting. And so yeah, this happened. Okay. I just reduce the thing. Actually, it was not doing anything. Okay, in the beginning. I'm like its maximum is still. What is happening? Too much water, maybe. Yeah, I should not have done that actually. I put the boiling water directly in the sink, right? So that actually costs on durability. So I'm just what is its problem? Annoying thing. Do you know what? Maybe I'll just cancel the video and I'll share the ending with you, like how it turned out to be. Because this is too annoying now. Like this is boiling. I have to focus at this also, and have to get this stuff as well. I cannot leave anything alone. You know what? Let's fly for a little bit, okay? Stay. Okay, so I have some capsicum. Garlic is in there. Yeah, capsicum. Like I'm using it slowly, and I'm keeping it in the fridge. I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but it's still fresh, I think. Butter. This is the tomato passata. Passata. I don't know. It's some Italian sauce, and I just tasted tomato in this mostly. Tomato and some other herbs, okay, which I don't understand, but I could definitely smell it. It's a little sweet. Anyway, so what time start? Wait, onion. I'm going all out on this. Oh, by the way, my chopping board is behind you guys, so don't mind me. Yeah, I'm just gonna spoil everything here. I don't want to, take too much of space. My knife for I don't think a lot of onion is required in this actually. I can cut a new onion. Okay, so what is it? I keep putting half cut things in this. I couldn't keep the capsicum, it's too big. It's airtight and I think it's good. I need garlic also. So, oh my god, in this way the video is going to be too long. I think I can edit it later. I don't know. Actually, I tried going live, okay, but it's just not letting me go live because I don't have enough viewers or followers or subscribers. Like one of those, okay. Well, I don't have any of those, but so, like the issue is one of those. Okay, I like long. Sorry, I was saying actually I like to cut onions long. Okay? Yo, I'm not doing it good. Okay, the reason of this whole video is not to show that I'm good at cooking, which I don't think I am. Well, I'm decent actually. I love my own cooking, so that's all. But the reason is because I'm looking for some people to talk to while I'm doing my own chores. And having a camera on your face makes you feel like you are being watched. So it works in positive as well as negative. Like it has pros and cons. Actually, I know how to make white sauce, okay, but for that I need that, what do you call it thing? Atta. We call it atta, okay. Like, what do you make? Whole purpose flour, whatever, FLOUR. Like, I'm not so good at pronunciations as you can see, but yeah, whole purpose flour, that thing. And here comes the garlic. It looks like that I just want to watch the world burn. A little bit of water only came out, but still, I'll clean it, of course. I'll have to. Why am I justifying it to you guys? Huh? I clean my own things, okay? I'm a really, really clean guy. Too clean actually for my own good. I mean, not every time, okay? But like sometimes the cleanliness just becomes too mandatory and it's annoying. Your brain is like, clean it, dude. What are you doing? I have to. I leave everything else just for cleaning. After smashing it, I still try to cut it, okay, because it's not completely smashed and the knife is not big enough, you know, it needs to be wide so that I can put full strength. If I try to use a lot of strength here, this happens. I actually do not think that this will happen right now because I did not use a lot of strength, but it did happen, so yeah, hence contributing to my point. Yep. I could do it one more time, but I don't time. It will take. So that's that. I don't know why I don't have tomatoes. I'll just have to use the sauce for tomato flavor. Actually, I like tomatoes, okay? And I know a lot of people who don't like tomatoes, so I don't like those people. Just kidding, they're my best friends somehow. Yeah, they're fence. Yeah, fence. I have friends. Yes. Sometimes I'm just justifying to myself. Yes, I do have friends. I'm not alone. I will not die alone. I have to. No. You know what? I cannot play my music right now because I'm recording this. It's so sad. I need to do both together. So either I can, satisfy my heart by saying, oh, some people are looking at me and I won't feel alone again. Or maybe I can just listen to good music. Why can't I have both? Well, I can. There are other ways, I know. Like I can get my laptop here, connect the speaker to it. I love onion, dude. When onion is cooking, it smells so good. Black pepper. I love black pepper. And because garlic, raw garlic as well as garlic powder both together make too much garlic, which is good garlic. Garlic is important too. So these are the basic values. Okay? These are not a lot, definitely, but actually I'm not sure about that. So the sauce is going to be the main. Oh, forgot about my mushroom. I'll not put mushroom right now because otherwise it will just disintegrate them in this much heat. They're too soft, right? So they can cook in the final time also. That's not the issue. Like mushrooms are the first vegetable or grocery I got in UK. Not like it was the first thing which was available to me, but no, I was actually just saw mushroom and I was like, okay, that definitely. Like I was trying to save money, but at the same time, mushroom is just a weakness. It's too good sometimes. Like when I used to have cup noodles, I sometimes used to just fry mushrooms on the side with capsicum and I used to just put them in the cup noodles. I love mushroom too much. Yes, sir. And move with water. I don't know why the butter is not doing a good job here, so I think I'll need to get oil after this. It'll take some time. Yeah, you will be in the sauce. Slowly I'll put more sauce, okay? Like now this was so that it doesn't burn and so that the pasta can get done till then. What else do I need? I think I'll just take one small spring onion for the end. I like the onion taste a little bit, not too raw, but during the final time only I'll just put it in. It tastes really nice. And this is small, right? So it won't even make too much difference. Yes, sir. I have eyes on you now. Actually, I heard it, but still, my attention is on him. So actually, I'll put these two together only. I have no idea about the quantity right now. I'm just going blind. I'm playing blind right now. Okay, it smells too sweet. Where's my salt? Salt I use and I have those mixed herbs. That will go. Black pepper, I think in the end I'll put more. Garlic powder I'll have to smell or taste to see how strong is this garlic powder. This is the first time I'm using this garlic powder. Wait, is it garlic powder? Oh, it's garlic granules. Okay, so it's not much of a difference. The raw garlic in this. It smells exactly like garlic powder. I don't know why. Okay, it smells too sweet, which is not something that I want. Less salt, okay? Because I just hate if salt is even less, above the required level. So I can go below the required salt level, but never over. Even a little over, that just kills everything for me. Like, I'm just nah. We don't do that here. The cheese, I have a little cube of cheese here. I don't know which weird cheese this is. I just got it free because I was in the student accommodation. So I'll see. Actually, it's really good. Okay, it's not like mozzarella or cheddar. It's different. It has good flavor. It has strong flavor. And that goes really well with this, I'm sure. Okay, the sauce is going really well. Yeah, it's slowly the tomato sauce is actually getting with the vegetables, and it's really good. And slow I'll keep putting water so that it doesn't burn. Because I don't know why the stove is not something that I'm used to, okay? Because it's just too hot or too... It either does over its pay grade or it just does nothing. So it's extremes always. Yeah, okay, so nothing burning, that's a good thing. Well, I put a little water, right? So nothing will burn, for sure. What about that? Wait, I need to see. Oh, wait, it's spaghetti only. Oh yeah, that makes sense. That's what I was expecting. Yes, definitely. Let's see. Ayyo. Calm down. Yeah, it's on. It's actually perfectly done. Like, not perfectly, like 90% done, which is what I needed. You see? After this, I'm putting it in the frying sauce, right? Wait, so it means that this is time for... I'll keep one extra mushroom here because I don't know if the mushroom is enough. It's the clean mushroom which I washed. Let's stay here. Yeah, it looks enough actually. Actually, no, you know what? I'll put one more mushroom. Just so that the gravy can be thick. And actually, these are the mushrooms still cut. One other mushroom. Oh, and that is how I messed up. So it will take some time for me to get, everything sorted here according to my own way. And I'll cut this mushroom really fine because fine mushroom can, be the sauce. I don't need the sauce. I am the sauce. That's what will happen. Because mushroom is too soft, and when it's too small at the same time, it just disintegrates. But that's what I need. That's what I need. Actually, I don't cook, a lot here. I don't know why. Since I came to UK, I'm cooking really less. I cook like once or twice. That's all. A day. Once or twice a day maximum. Like 3-course meal, right? I don't think even once I've prepared a full 3-course meal. Yes. I don't want the tomato sauce to be too much. I have its own problems otherwise. Black pepper I cannot smell. I think it's not strong. Yeah, but what if it's not strong but it tastes strong, So let's not go over the board. By the way, oh, it's 19 minutes. Oh my god, I'm just wasting time here, I feel like. Anyway. Oh, I'll cut now. I'll cut most of the part. No issues. So before steaming, I just put a little cold water in it so that when I rinse it, it doesn't burn anything. So that is a smart thing. That's two game a move right over there. Wait, actually this is nothing, I think. This is less. Spaghetti. Yeah, it's spaghetti. It's different spaghetti. So spaghetti is a type of pasta, is it? Is spaghetti a type of pasta? You see, I'm not well versed in the Italian culture, so I cannot say anything. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kill myself, I think. Like, this is a suicidal move. But I've been doing that for quite a while. And that is putting a little milk in this. The tomato sauce and milk together makes orange gravy, which is not too much sweet and not too milky. So instead of cream, people put cream. I don't have cream, but milk works if you let it boil for long enough. Not boil, like cook. Yeah, actually, it's in the final countdown. So, what else was the meaning? Hey, what's up? Wanna eat? I cooked a lot. It's not a lot, but it's decent quantity.